Okay, you guys, I got the last of the building lessons done from Sketching Scotty late last night. So this week we'll be starting on people. Maybe. Yeah, so anyway, the people one has me the most nervous, but we'll see. I like the way he teaches, so maybe it'll be fine. It's been babysitting day today. It is Monday, and that went fine. I'm exhausted. There's a lot of stuff going on in the background. It's not bad stuff. It's just stuff. I am talking about some of it a little bit over on Patreon. It's just, when I tell you guys it's a year of chaos, it's a year of chaos. It really is. So anyway, it'll all turn out the way it's supposed to, I'm sure. We're going away for a couple weeks to see my dad, and then we're going to be home for like a week, and then we've got to go out of town again. This time my husband needs to go to California for some retirement prep stuff for his company, mainly passing on knowledge to who's going to be next. And we also have a couple friends who one who's having a 90th birthday, and my friend whose husband passed away recently. So we're going to go see both of them, I think, while we're there. I might fly home without him, which is fine because he might have to stay there a few days longer. And like I said, that's grandson and daughter leaving. There's a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, there's that. All right. I'll be back. I guess I better get to editing because, it's got to get done. I'll be back.
What are they doing? What are they doing? It's the same rain over here. Oh, he's splashing in the puddle. Is that your wife? I don't want to sit by her in the truck. You have to sit by her.
No, I'm in the front seat.
No, I get the front. It's
Yeah, I'm in the front seat.
There's nothing like a summer storm.
Right?
Hello, everybody. It's been a couple days since I checked in. Well, more than that. We've been out visiting family. I have a sister in Iowa, and my brother and his wife met Bob and I there, and we had 4th of July with my sister and her family, and also my dad is living there. And then we flew east with my brother and his wife, and we are staying up in the Catskills. This is her cousin's house. And this is our view from the front window. I know, right? Anyway, we are here for a couple more days, and then we're going down to Maryland to visit another family member. And yeah, there's video clips and things. I'll put them here. Hey guys, it's been a bit. So as you've seen, if you're watching this, you saw some clips. We went to the Midwest and East Coast to visit family. We did it with my brother and his wife. Had a lot of fun. Did some fun things. I got to finally see Niagara Falls. I got to see the Catskills. FYI, if you go see Niagara Falls, you need goggles.
Ready to drive?
Ding, ding, ding. Hello, guys.
We're ready to drive.
We're in a rental car again. As I've hinted at before, there's a lot going on right now. Most of it's all good. We did have one friend that passed away. We're gonna check in on the wife. We are in California.
Yeah, we're in California.
Mr. Bob had to go to work for a week because he is getting ready to retire. So we have knowledge transfer stuff going on at his company.
Yep.
And he said, why don't you come down with me for the weekend? And we're gonna check in with a few of our friends. One of them's having a birthday, check in with the widow of our friend who passed, and a bunch of things, maybe drive by the old house. There is a lot going on right now, but it's all good. Well,
on your mobile device in order to search.
mostly good.
Device. Select the name that matches
Here's a
the
little
information
tiny
on the
hint.
screen.
We will be setting up a new art room soon.
Yep.
So I will be filming that for you guys. The content until then is going to be sporadic at best. But yeah, I will do my best. And yeah, so we are going to hit the road and check in on a few things. We have time. It's weird to be back in California. I will tell you that. All right, I'll be back.